I've left him alone. Sometimes no pressure's better. I think he knows enough by now to know how to chop a tree down, so we'll see how he goes. Perfect timing. Let's see how he's done. Oh yeah, so this is the compression side. So this is where it'll jam his bar, but you can see he hasn't quite gone through it. And it's on a bit of an angle, so he's done well there. His scarf is immaculate. Perfectly angled where we want it to go. We want it to miss this building here, well mainly the plumbing. And we can afford to hit this Fatinia here because it's a Fatinia. And it's all the way out the back here and no one can see. And this side, he's got just the right amount of holding wood. However, I think there might be a bit in the very middle because he's cut the other side and he's cut this side. I reckon he needs to go in and cut the very center bit out, which is a common thing that people do when trying to get the hinge wood right. You can see it's balanced. If you want to see where a tree's going to be more balanced, you put your finger where the hinge wood's going to be and you draw a line up. And most of the way it's out that side. Sometimes trees can be deceiving for when you're doing a scarf cut of where you're doing it, and they don't realise that the hinge wood is actually maybe to one side of the tree. Oh, here we go. I reckon it's just a bit in the very middle. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, it's going. Where's he going? He's run away. Oh, gosh. Beautiful. What do you reckon?
Too much hinge wood here.
No. Say you went in to correct that side because you brought the chainsaw around like that.
Yes.
And you're like, perfect, but it's only perfect here. What you need to do then is when you get that, come out and go straight in like this. This is what everyone will do. They'll cut in that side, get that right, then they'll come over this side and get that, and then they'll think it should go, but there's usually a triangle in the middle. So that's a fail.